Let's do this fun glam look. Always moisturize your face before any kind of makeup. It helps to glide it on. Makeup on a dry face does not look nice. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid foundation and just blend it out. If I need more, I'll use more, but initially I will always take less. All my products are captioned in the video, but please go ahead and use brands of your choice. Use concealer wherever required and blend well. Take any powder or powder foundation and mattify the top of your eyes. I use a powder contour and a soft brush because I like a soft contour without too many harsh lines. For your nose, just flatten the same brush and put it on the two sides. It'll work. Set your brows with a gel for sure so that it stays in place. If you need to draw it, go for it. Now take a neutral eyeshadow. My camera kind of went off, so this eye is kind of done, so you'll see the other one. Just take that neutral eyeshadow and apply it till your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go further up. And whatever is left on the brush, bring it onto your lower outer lash line. Now take a darker brown and put it on the outer corner. Initially kind of create a V and start blending and bring it onto your crease line, but don't bring it all the way in. And whatever's left on your brush, take it down onto your lower outer lash line. Blend everything out, especially your crease line, with a clean brush. Use a kohl on your lower waterline. You can take it all the way in or just come 3/4. The 3/4 kind of opens up the eye, so I stick to that. Now take a pencil brush or a smudge brush and smudge it out. Smudging it out also prevents from your kajal leaking. Now take a darker brown and the same brush and smoke it out further. Go a little lower from the black line and smoke it out based on however thick you want it. Always complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. A good mascara applied well also in its own way subtly lines your eyes, which is why half the time I don't line the top. Sometimes I do, but the mascara helps. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Make sure you've used a good lip balm before makeup. Then take another lip liner that matches the lipstick you will use and define your lips. Use a lipstick of your choice. I love a good cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, by all means use a powder blush. I use my personal makeup collection. Pick any brands of your choice. Just follow the technique. Now take your Studio Fix or your loose powder and touch it up wherever required. I bought this brush a long time ago from Body Shop, but it's not available, so use a brush that works for you. Now take any small flat brush and your highlighter and apply it on your outer brow bone. A glam look to me is totally incomplete without a good highlighter. Use any fluffy fan brush. Set your makeup with a setting spray and you're good to go. I'll see you soon with some more glamorous yet easy makeup looks. Take care.